Alright, here's my box. We're gonna go ahead and get it open. See what kind of goodies we got. Hopefully this will get me up and running, and that way I can do some further testing, because I really do need to go a little bit faster to actually be able to test the suspension. And it's a torque converter. I said in a previous part, I never mess with torque converters. I don't know if I ever want to. Clutches are the thing. But the kind of motive has changed. The clutch isn't working. I can't really find a reasonably priced, good quality clutch that I'm like, oh yeah, that's gonna work. And I want a bunch of low-end torque, and it seems like this is the way to go. Yeah, just and I am aware this is a cheap converter, torque converter. I will probably break the back plate, but for seeing if I'm moving in the right direction and this is where I need to go, I feel like it'll be okay. I'll get to do more testing and then put money down on some really good parts that'll withstand the torque of this motor. But came with some bolts. Put that right there. Came with a hella beefy belt. Dang. I did not think it was going to be that beefy. Wow. That's really nice. Back plate. Dang. This is I watched a guy's video, and he had one of these motors, and he built like a cross cart styled one, and he broke this back plate. Well, not this particular one, but you know, a cheaper version of one. Dang, this is thick. How? How'd he break that? That's wild. It's actually pretty good quality. I mean, will it withstand the torque of a 459cc motor? Don't know. But it's actually pretty decent quality. I was expecting worse. I mean, I wouldn't say it was like the cheapest of cheap parts, but I mean, as far as torque converters go, and like clutches and all of that, I mean, it was pretty decently priced. And I think that's the pulley that goes on the shaft. Yeah, so that'll go there. Oh, sorry. That'll go there. And should slide on. It should be big enough for my shaft. It looks like it's big enough. Well, let me finish unboxing all of this. I mean, so far the quality looks pretty good. I mean, like I said, I'm not expecting it to actually last or be, oh my god, it's amazing, or end all of parts. I'm expecting it to fail, but I just need something to make sure that I'm going in the right direction and that this is where I need to go, or scrap the project or whatever, because I have more things I want to do to the card, but I don't want to buy it yet and then end up not even being able to get it working. I want to straight pipe it, get rid of the exhaust. I want to get rid of the air box. I I want to do a high flow air filter. I want to get rid of this big gaudy gas tank. It's alright for right now, but man, this thing is huge. I mean, like, you just don't need this much gas on a cart. So I'm gonna, and then weight savings too. So I'm gonna take all of this off, and I'm gonna get a small gas tank and mount it up onto it and get rid of all that, get some more power out of it. But that'll be later. Let me start undoing all these bolts and stuff and start figuring out how to mount this thing on, because I've never done one.